Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Eid ul-Adha is a very special and joyful festival for Muslim and over the world. On this day, we sacrifice a healthy Qurbani cow to show our love and devotion to Allah. The whole family comes together in the morning to enjoy the festive environment. After the sacrifice, the fresh cow meat is divided into 3 equal parts. We keep 1 part for ourselves and distribute the rest to our relative and 4 people. Then my mother cooks delicious and mouth-watering beef dishes for everyone. Eating together and sharing food with others brings immense peace and happiness to our heart. Best wishes. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam saw a recurring dream where Allah commanded him to sacrifice his beloved son Ismail alayhi salam. When he shared this vision, young Ismail alayhi salam bravely replied, "O my father, do as you are commanded." As they walked to the sacrifice spot, Satan tried to tempt them, but they threw stone to drive him away. With absolute submission, Ibrahim alayhi salam blindfolded himself and drew the knife over his son's neck. At the exact moment, Allah replaced Ismail alayhi salam with a ram from paradise, saving the boy's life. This